What is C-reactive protein or CRP test? A C-reactive protein test measures the level of C-reactive protein or CRP in your blood. CRP is a protein made by your liver. It's sent into your bloodstream in response to inflammation. Inflammation is your body's way of protecting your tissues if you have been injured or have an infection. It can cause pain, redness, and swelling in the injured or affected area. Some autoimmune disorders and chronic diseases can also cause inflammation. Normally, you have low levels of C-reactive protein in your blood. High levels may be sign of a serious infection or other disorder. What is it used for? A CRP test may be used to find or monitor conditions that cause inflammation. This include bacterial infections such as sepsis, a severe and sometimes life-threatening condition, a fungal infection, inflammatory bowel disease, a disorder that causes swelling and bleeding in the intestines, an autoimmune disorder such as lupus or rheumatoid arthritis, an infection of the bone called osteomyelitis. Why do I need a CRP test? You may need this test if you have symptoms of a serious bacterial infection. Symptoms include fever, chills, rapid breathing, rapid heart rate, nausea and vomiting. If you have already been diagnosed with an infection or have a chronic disease, this test may be used to monitor your treatment. CRP levels rise and fall depending on how much inflammation you have. If your CRP levels go down, it's a sign that your treatment for inflammation is working. What happens during a CRP test? A healthcare professional will take a blood sample from a vein in your arm using a small needle. After the needle is inserted, a small amount of blood will be collected into a test tube or vial. You may feel a little sting when the needle goes in or out. This process usually takes less than 5 minutes. What do the results mean? If your results show a high level of CRP, it probably means you have some type of inflammation in your body. A CRP test doesn't explain the cause or location of the inflammation. So if your results are not normal, your healthcare provider may order more tests to figure out why you have inflammation. A higher than normal CRP level does not necessarily mean you have a medical condition needing treatment. There are other factors that can raise your CRP levels. This include cigarette smoking, obesity, and lack of exercise. If you have questions about your results, talk to your healthcare provider. Is there anything else I need to know about a CRP test? A CRP test is sometimes confused with a high sensitivity CRP test. Although they both measure CRP, they are used to diagnose different conditions. An high sensitivity CRP test measures much lower levels of CRP. It is used to check for risk of heart disease,